Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stream T Sports live safely and legally. Now this channel is popular for cricket, football and other sports. So I will explain the proper ways to watch it on phone, TV or computer. So first of all, T Sports is a licensed sports channel. So the best way to watch it is through its official TV application, which you can download from Google Play Store or App Store. Or you can also come here on its official website, and from there you can just see whether the shows are streaming in your region or not. So these are usually available on the Android phones, smart TVs and the web browsers. On the Android or iPhone, you can install an official live TV or the sports application that carries T Sports in your country. You will also find its official application on Google Play Store. Now, when you open the application, simply sign in into your account, and then you just have to basically create your account if you don't already have one. When you search for T Sports in the channel list, you can click on the option of start streaming. Some of the platforms offer the free viewing with the ads, while others may need a subscription depending on your region. On Android TV or Google TV, you can open the Play Store and install the legal T Sports application. After installing, simply sign in here with the help of your account, and you can search for the channels to play it on your big screen. If your cable or the DTH provider includes T Sports, you can check if they offer the mobile application for computers. Many TV providers are allow their users to watch on the phone or the laptop at no extra cost using their login details. Just log in with your subscriber's ID and you can watch it online. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.